I'm a long-term green card holder. I never bothered to file for citizenship, but now I need to travel overseas. Do I need to worry? This is the question that I receive now almost on a daily basis. Let's talk about this. If you have only a green card and not a US citizenship and you need to travel overseas, what do you need to know about this travel and what to expect? You've heard the news that some green card holders who are trying to enter the United States after the trip overseas have trouble at the airport. They get detained and placed in removal proceedings. Some of them lose their green cards because they're pressured to sign Form I-407 or abandonment of their permanent residency. But why it happens? Well, the good news that it does not happen to everyone. It happens usually to people who, number one, have some sort of a criminal past. Even if in the past that criminal conviction that was resolved many years ago, perhaps even dismissed, was not an issue when you were trying to enter or tried to enter the United States. Now CBP may stop you and detain you and even place you in removal proceedings. So make sure to consult with an immigration attorney prior to leaving the United States if you had any criminal issues in the past, arrests, charges, convictions. If you believe that the conviction was too small, didn't present an issue, or an attorney advised you it's safe to travel, nevertheless, have on you certificate of disposition for that arrest and conviction. It's very important. The next category of cases concerns people who traveled and stayed outside of the United States for longer than 6 months. In this situation, CBP may determine that you abandoned your green card status in the United States. Well, in this case, number one, prior to leaving the United States, please file for re-entry permit. Number two, you have to have on you documents proving that you did not intend to abandon your green card status in the United States and you maintained address in the United States, employment, bank accounts, utility bills, certain things that prove that you maintain ties with the United States. Finally, if you receive the green card unlawfully, you may be also detained, placed in removal proceedings, offered to sign the Form I-407. This is the form, again, where the government says, just consent to the fact that you give up your permanent residency in the United States. Do not sign that form. Fight for your status. That's the best advice that you may receive in this situation. But of course, if there were legal issues surrounding receipt of the green card, you need to speak with an attorney. If there was a mistake made and you know about the mistake, even if the mistake was not on your part, please discuss it with an attorney prior to departing the United States.